Are you tired of writing messy code just to show product ratings on your WooCommerce store? Discover the few clicks that add a professional rating widget with Elementor. We'll open Elementor, find the WooCommerce widget section, pick product rating, and then see how to activate the feature with an upgrade. Let's start by going to Edit Your Homepage with Elementor. Then click on the highlight. Next, click on WooCommerce. Then click on it again. From there, pick Product Rating. Now click on the prompt that says Use Product Rating Widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Then click Upgrade Now. Finally, click Upgrade Now once more, and you're all set. Happy rating! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.